Water level controller. Most of the people in residential areas face the problem of water overflow in water tanks due to excess supply of water. It becomes difficult for users to judge the level of water in water tank. When the pump is turned on, users does not realize that the water tank is fully filled or not, which results in overflow of water. Water level controller system is used to sort out the issues associated with water tank. It is also possible to check the level of the water using sensor, so that whenever the water goes below a certain level, pump gets turned on automatically. Also, when there is an overflow of water in water tank, it uses sensor to detect the water level, so that if the water goes above a certain level, the pump gets turned off automatically. This system prevents the wastage of water. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a water level controller using Arduino Uno, water pump, and copper wires. Here is the connection diagram of our project. This circuit will measure the upper and lower level of water in the water tank and control the pump according to the water level. If water cross the lower level, then Arduino will turn on the pump, and if water will touch the upper level, then Arduino will turn off the pump. To measure the water level, we are using 3 wires, red, yellow, and orange. Orange wire is used to measure the upper water level, and yellow wire is used to measure the lower water level. Red wire is connected with a 5-volt pin, orange wire is connected with pin number 6, and yellow wire is connected with pin number 7 of Arduino. Relay module works on 5-volt power supply. It has 3 pins, VCC, ground, and input. Connect the VCC pin with 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and input pin with pin number 11 of Arduino. DC water pump has 2 terminals, positive and negative. Connect the positive terminal with the normally open pin of relay, and connect the negative terminal with the ground pin of 9-volt battery. Connect the common pin of relay with the positive supply of 9-volt battery. When water will touch the upper level, then orange and red wire will short with each other, and pin number 6 will get a high signal. In this case, Arduino will give a low signal to the relay and water pump will turn off. Water level start decreasing, then orange and red wire will disconnect, and 10 kilo ohm resistor will give a low signal to pin number 6. When water will cross the lower level, then yellow and red wire will disconnect with each other. In this case, 10 kilo ohm resistor will give a low signal to pin number 7, and Arduino will give a high signal to the relay. Now water pump will turn on to fill the water tank. This is the code of this project. Upper state and lower state are the integer type variables. They will store the status of the input pins. Initially we will set their values to 0. Void setup is a function we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, in this project, we will give high or low signals to the relay connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of the wires connected at pin number 6 and 7. So we will make pin number 6 and 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Lower state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable lower state. If lower state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn on. It shows that water level is low, so water pump will turn on. If upper state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn off. It shows that water is overflow, so water pump will turn off. Now write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. Then save the program. Now check the code for any error by pressing this check button. If code is correct, then upload it to the Arduino hardware board. For this, connect the Arduino board with laptop or computer using a USB cable. Now go to the Tools menu, and select Arduino Uno. Go to the port option, and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Then press this arrow button, to transfer the code to the Arduino hardware. Our code is now transferred to the Arduino successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a DC water pump, a red wire, and a PP3 battery connector. Connect the black wire of the pump with the black wire of PP3 battery connector. Connect the red wire with the red wire of the pump. Cover the joints with insulation tape. Now we will connect the water pump with relay module. We will connect red wire of the water pump with normally open pin of relay. We will connect the red wire of 9-volt battery with the common pin of relay module. Now we will connect a red wire at its VCC pin, black wire at its ground pin, and green wire at its input pin. Now we will take two 10 kilo ohm resistors, and connect one of their ends with each other. Now we will solder a black wire at their joint. Now connect a yellow wire at another end of any one resistor, and orange wire with the second resistor. Now connect a yellow copper wire with one joint, and orange wire with the other joint. Cover the joints with insulation tape. Now our water level sensor is ready to use. Now we will connect a red wire at the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the black wire of the sensor with the ground pin, yellow wire with pin number 7, and orange wire with pin number 6 of Arduino. Now connect the red wire of the relay module with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and green wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. We have used a plastic jar as the water tank. A tap has been used to empty the tank, and a DC water pump has been used to fill the water in the tank. We have dipped all the 3 wires, red, yellow, and orange, inside the tank. Red and yellow wires have equal length, and touching the bottom of the tank, we have used a plastic tub to represent the underground water. When the water level is low, then Arduino will automatically turn on the water pump. When the water will touch the orange wire, then pump will turn off. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.